In the world we live in right now, we need to find a way to get back inside our bodies. We really need to come and check in regularly because everything is pulling us uh, outward constantly. So much mental stimulation. Everything goes so fast. So what we call meditation is necessary. We really need to find a way to get back inside and calm our minds down. And it's not a talent. Meditation is not a talent. It's not like, oh, something you get and then immediately you get it. No. The practice of meditation is not about getting into stillness. It's about getting back into the practice constantly. Getting back constantly into the practice of stillness, of trying to reach that moment of stillness. And there are different levels to this, but we need to start from the beginning. And this is very, very simple principle. It's really about anchoring our mind to something that is feeling related, body related. So it can be your posture, can be the feelings that you have inside your body. But what I would suggest to someone who starts is to just tune into the breath. Tune into the breath. As soon as you tune into your breath, you cannot think. As soon as you follow the breath, the inhale and the exhale, feeling it, I'm not thinking about it, but feeling it, feeling the inhale and feeling the exhale, automatically at that moment, you cannot be anywhere in the past or anywhere in the future. You are right here, right now. That sounds good, isn't it? But you will space out so many times. And this is what the practice of meditation is about. It's not about achieving stillness. It's about going back and retuning, coming back inside the body again and again and again and again, thousands of times, constantly going back. So it's not about like, oh, you practice and then you see your mind just flying away every 5-10 seconds. This is everyone who starts meditating experience this. And even after years of practice, this is also something that keeps happening. But this is not what is important. What is important is the time and the number of times that you will come back in and constantly get back into your focus. As many times you will practice, this is how you're gonna improve and get into a place where the mind is closer to stillness. It's not about achieving it, it's about practicing it. That's what is important. And this will have amazing impact in your life. How do we get there? How do we get started? Because, it's like, okay, people say, okay, you must meditate, and they will sit on a pillow, cross their legs, and close their eyes, and they will do cross-legged thinking. Now, you need a minimum of technique, a minimum of knowledge, so you can put your awareness connected to something that is inward. And today I want to share with you the practice where you focus on the breath. First, okay, it's important to develop, recover your baby breathing, your belly breathing. If you look at a baby, the baby doesn't breathe in the chest, it breathes into the abdomen. Okay. And for this, they're very sensitive, isn't it? They breathe and they're very spontaneous. They know exactly what they like, what they want, and what they feel as well. So as soon as you're going to develop this practice, this ability to breathe again into your body, you will get back in touch with your feelings, with your sensation, what is going on into your nervous system. It's a treasure. It's a treasure. It's really a gift to access that again, because this is where our lives are is happening in the present moment, into the feeling. Everything you can think is either a second or a lifetime behind, or a second or a lifetime ahead. It's not the present moment, and your life is unfolding right at this moment. So, to practice the abdominal breathing, you just inhale and you expand the belly, and you exhale and you press the belly in. You do it actively. So you inhale, push out, exhale, squeeze in, just to warm it up. You will not do that all the time, okay? But just to practice the inhale, expand, exhale, contract. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And speed up. Big one. And hold it. Squeeze it. Press your belly as if someone was going to hit you in the belly. Press, press, make your belly hard. Squeeze it. Press, push the energy downward and release. By doing so, you notice that there's some kind of a quiet feeling happening in the brain. This is because you have more oxygen into your bloodstream. So this way, automatically, you get more oxygen, you get more quiet, you get less CO2, which is a trigger for the sympathetic nervous system. It puts you on alert all the time with having this. So you keep breathing like this. Let's do one more round. Big one. Hold it. Squeeze. Tighten your abdomen. Make it hard. Push your chest down. Concentrate the energy into this area. And relax. So at first, make sure that you remain safe, because taking more oxygen like this may make you dizzy. I've seen people falling or getting dizzy. So make sure you are safe when you start practicing this intensive breathing. Okay, but you will get used to it. Right? You will get used to have more oxygen into your system, and you will not get dizzy anymore. Okay, so anyway, over time, getting dizzy you may even enjoy it. Okay, so afterwards, when you repeat this, and I suggest that you repeat a certain amount of times. Okay, I like to practice. Normally, I start my meditation with 108 breaths. I just go in one shot. I inhale, exhale. Okay, and then I hold it, and then immediately, no matter what was my day before, I automatically shift into a parasympathetic mode. I get into it gets very quiet, and it really prepares me in to enter my meditation practice. So now let's do it. Let's do it. Let me guide you for a few minutes into the practice itself. So what I suggest, okay, is like you follow with your mind the inhale and you follow the exhale. That's your only focus. You don't try to reach for the stars. You don't try to reach for the purple light. The only focus is just your inhale. You follow it, and your exhale, you follow it, and you count them. Okay? So you count them. So first, you're gonna follow that inhale and exhale, and use the first one and the second one. Okay, and your goal is to reach 100, the count of 100. The day you will reach the count of 100, you will have had already accumulate a very significant experience. Okay, that's the goal. Don't expect this to happen in the first week or even the first month of your practice, but over time, that's your goal. That's where you want to shoot for. Okay. So, but what you want to do is like when you inhale and exhale and you count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. You just follow this, and then suddenly, whoop, your mind is gone and you're somewhere traveling, or you're thinking about tomorrow, about yesterday, or whatever. Start at 1 again. Okay, so you do like this. Don't be discouraged. I'll make it, be playful facing this. Okay, but this is the training and it gives you a goal. So first, okay, let's take a position. Let's do another series of breath. Okay. Big one. Hold it. Pack. Make your belly hard. Push. Okay, and you don't want to pack in the chest, so you should be able to speak normally when you do this. The belly should be hard. Pack here, and you release. When you release, feel this, that feeling, this warm feeling that you may have inside after this, and let it go into the ground. And immediately tune into your breath and follow the first inhale and the first exhale. No rush, just quiet. Follow your breath naturally. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep your mind completely anchored into the movement. Inhale, feel the breath filling your abdomen. And the breath falling. Do not contract it anymore on the exhale. Just inhale and exhale, drop. Relax the abdomen. Inhale. Expand the abdomen. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Keep going into silence. If your mind leaves your body and gets into thinking, into dreaming, come back. Don't fight with that. Just come back to your breath on the inhale and the exhale. Inhale, exhale, and keep going like this. And this is a practice of meditation. This is the 101, but when you achieve that, it's also a sign that you've progressed and advanced.